Okay, so we're going to Hong Kong and I have a travel makeup bag. So in the past, I have bigger makeup travel bag, but now on my recent birthday, my sister-in-law gave me this very sexy Victoria's Secret orangey neon transparent bag. So I'll just fill this up with my makeup products, and I'm going to have a maternity shoot as well in Hong Kong and in Disneyland. So I'll just show you what I'm bringing. So first we'll do by chronological order. So after I moisturize, I'm going to put my primer. So the primer that I'm going to bring is this one. It's my favorite. One of my favorite is the Benefit Porefessional. Yes, so it's silicone based. It will close my pores. So yeah, I will not have open pores go inside. And for my foundation, so I'm not going to have a heavy face makeup, I'm going to use this one. It's just like a refillable makeup BB cushion sponge that I created my own. Yes, so it looks like this. So it's my shade. So you can just buy this refillable one and you can just create. So this one you can just pop it out and you can create on your own. This one I mix with aloe vera soothing gel, a Benefit Porefessional primer, and my choice of foundation and sunblock. So you just mix it up and put it here, and then there's already a sponge. So it's very cute. I like it. So that one is for not so heavy days, but for heavy days, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild liquid foundation. This is one of my favorite. This is the Photo Focus. Yes, this is in bronze beige. So I like this so much. But the annoying part is this thing only. See? Yeah, but other than that, I like that so much. I hope it will not break. So it's just there. So after foundation, what do we need? Okay, we need the powder. So I'm going to use my Australis. What is this? Fresh and Flawless Press Powder. So this is an Australian brand. So it's a very nice, finely milled powder. Then got the mirror and the sponge. So that one to powder my face. Next one, okay, for the eyebrows, I'm going to use two eyebrow pencils because it will be faster. I'm using the Catrice, what is this, eyebrow stylist, this is in 030 color. So yeah, so the usual brown pencil there that needs to sharpen. The spoolie at the other side, and it works so well. So I'll just put this there together with my Essence sharpener. So it's a dual sharpener, even though I'm not using the other side. And my recent purchase that I tried it twice and I like it so much. Let me see if I can focus this one. Okay, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. Yes, this is in gray brown. I like it because nowadays, you know, the microblading is already so in, right? So this is the microblading, see? So it's really good. It's a great color match for my eyebrows, and the tip is, I think, what is that, 3 or 4 tips like that. So it's interesting. I like it and it works. Like it so much. So I'm going to bring that. Next one, so after my eyebrows, I'm going to prime my eyelid. So I'm using this small size, tiny size from Lorac, which I got it from my eyeshadow palette. So it's good for traveling. And my first time that I will travel with my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in Sunset. It's very tiny. You see, it's just like a cell phone. Very slim, but the color inside are a winner. Hang on, how can I show you this one? Okay, that is me. Hang on. So So hang on, so like this, right? You can see the color is just so pretty. I think you got, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades. It all got your warm color. It got the green, got the neutral color for the crease. Everything. I like it. And it's very slim, good for traveling, and easy to snap. So that's my one eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use. Next one is eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, to tight line, I'm going to use my waterproof eyeliner. This is from Barry M. It's a new cosmetic line that I found it here in Singapore in Guardian. So it looks like this. It's just like your waterproof eyeliner. Yeah, and it works. I like it. And for the upper lids, I'm going to use, well, of course, one of my favorite, the K Palette Real Lasting Eyeliner One Day Tattoo. This is a Japanese brand, so it looks like that. It's a felt tip eyeliner, which is so easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. So after I put my eyeliner, I'm going to use my blush, bronzer, contour, and my highlight. So I really love this, like those face palette that everything is inside. So this is a Thailand brand. This is a 3D face forward Nefertiti contour kit from Cathy Doll. So it is, so you can see I almost hit pan on this. Got a small tiny mirror there, but the inside is a winner. You see this one, this bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. I like everything and it works. So everything is there. It's compact. I love it. Then yeah, I forgot to prime my lids. I'm going to use my Sephora Tangerine lip balm. So cute. It's the same color. So before I put on all my makeup, after I moisturize also my lips. Then what else? So after that, the brushes I'm going to bring are my favorite brushes from BH Cosmetics. So I just individually put them in their plastic as well. And this is my foundation brush from Shiseido. So they have like a sale in Q10. It's only $10 for 2. So I still got one more backup. So yeah, these are just your normal brushes. Yeah, small travel size. And for eyelashes, of course, I need my eyelash curler from, I believe, Shiseido, and one of the best eyelash mascara that I got is from, I believe this is a Japanese brand. This is Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara. Yeah, this one. So it looks like that. Really good. It doesn't clump. It gives really volume. It lengthens and it lasts the whole day. So it's just your usual brush, but it works. I like it so much. So I really highly recommend this Heroin Make. So let's put it inside there. Then I'm going to set my face. So I have here a small size of the Tarte Ready Set Radiant. So I only got a few left. Then I mix it with my Milani, you know, that prep and prime for matte skin. So to matte the skin. So I just shake it inside, and yeah, it's good for traveling. And for lips, I have what do you call this? 5 lip products. The first lip product that I have is from Maybelline. This is one of my favorites. This is a Chili Nude. So it looks like this. It's really chili nude. I like this so much. This is the color. So I believe this is from the Powder Mattes edition, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry. This is from the Creamy Mattes. So I believe if they're always on sale, you go buy it. Chili Nude. Then if I don't have enough red, I'm going to put underneath that my favorite lip liner from Rimmel London. This is the Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses. This is in Indian Pink. So it just looks like that. Just looks like that. So show you. So this is how it looks like, you see. So at least it will last my red lip. So it's not really a chili red lip, but this one, it is a good combination, especially if you're morena skin like me. And I got 3 liquid lipstick. First is if I want my day to be like kind of nude, but not so boring. So I have a small size of the ColourPop. This is in Solo, SOLOW. So it looks like this. So it's like a pink effect. Yes, like that. Really lasts on long the lips and it's good for traveling. The next one is from, you're going to be surprised, in BH Cosmetics. They have good and very affordable liquid lipstick and it lasts so long. So this is one of their liquid lipstick. What is the color of this? I cannot read the color of this because the sticker below is already coming off. So that is just the annoying part of it. You can see it's already coming off and it's very tiny, but it looks like that. So I just put it there. Let's see. So if I wanted to have a darker lip, yes, that's the color. And then the last liquid lipstick, I got surprised, but it really works for me and it lasts so long. This is from the Philippines, EB Advance, I believe, Everbilena, the LTD liquid lipstick in soft cinnamon. I believe I bought this because the lady said in Watson's that this is one of their sellable products. So it's a small liquid lipstick. So it looks like this. We put it here. So yes, that's the color. Can we see it? Yes, it's almost the same with this one and this one, but you can see the effect of this one is kind of a liquid lipstick effect, right? This one is really creamy matte. So yes, that's about it. This is the everything that I'm going to bring for my trip. So if you like packing videos, travel, makeup bag, travel per se, and everything makeup, so just like, subscribe, and click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified whenever I upload new stuff from your mobile phone. And that's about it. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.